Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got an absolutely gorgeous 1965 Chevelle, real super sport, numbers match drivetrain, factory air, $60,000 restoration. This thing is beautiful. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study about 100 pictures, and you get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you'll see the videos as they come out if you click on the bell icon. And how about right now we go for a spin in a 65 Super Sport. I let this car get away once before. About a year ago, I had the opportunity to buy it, and I didn't make the deal happen, and it was one of those in the back of my mind. I was just kicking myself. It's just a fantastic car. And then all of a sudden, here it is. A year later, I got the opportunity and I jumped on it. This is a really nice car. The day it arrived here, I drove it home that night. Drives like new, feels good. It's outstanding. First of all, the underneath the car looks like brand new. Super clean floors. It's a California-built car, but even the inner rockers, inner quarters, the factory drain weep holes, and all that's super clean. It's really nice metal, all painted a nice black. I think they actually said the body was off the frame. You look up at the motor, it's still spotless. The whole front end is all rebuilt, all new components. It's got a new disc brake conversion in front. That's all new. The drums are redone in back. Emergency brake system looks like it's all hooked up. Really nice sounding Flowmaster exhaust, which you'll hear in a little bit. The original Power Glide transmission. The original 10-bolt rear end with 336 gears. I think it's got a high torque starter. So all the pictures are on our website. The underneath's beautiful. This is the factory color, Danube blue. Gorgeous color, deep blue color. The body is excellent. It's straight. Everything fits really nice. It's polished out beautifully. Look at all the gaps. This is perfectly square right here. There is a couple hairline cracks coming off the antenna. You know, they flex around and the paint can crack sometimes. But this is all clean. It's all metal. Smooth along here. No bubbles. Again, look at the gaps. All the chrome and trim is bright. All the stainless is bright. The vent pillar frames here are excellent, as the bow tie mirrors. Those are Foose wheels with BF Goodrich tires. The glass is real clear. All the moldings are polished, and again, they fit right. They're not popping off in the corners. This gap, not only is it square, but it's flush. This sparkles. It's all new. The bumper, the trim, the moldings, all that's beautiful. There's some nice chrome tips sticking out here. This side's just as good. No bubbles. Fits just as nice. It's got a two-tone interior. Sparkles. It's just the whole dash bezel, the center console, the trim. Everywhere there's chrome, it's sparkling. It all looks new. The seat cushions are redone. You sit in it, and it feels like a new seat. All new upholstery. It's got seat belts front and back was added. New carpet, new door panels, window cranks, armrests, all that's new. Door jambs are just as slick as the outside. All the weather strips were replaced. Up front, all of this is beautiful. I don't see any dents or dings or scrapes. It all looks real sharp. Chrome on top of the hood, the emblems. Bam! Show quality again. Glossy paint everywhere. It's just shining. Completely chromed power brake system, chrome alternator. It's got a highly polished aluminum intake with a Holley 4-barrel with electric choke, polished aluminum valve covers, factory air that does work. That's the original 283 motor. So this is a numbers match car. The colors, motor, trans, rear. It's a real super sport. That's right in the VIN number. Beautiful. Sill plates are nice. It's got nice rubber Chevelle floor mats. Look at the dash is even painted. All the metal is painted slick. The chrome vents, the dash pad, that's an option. And all the trim. All the trim inside is excellent. Trunk compartment spotless. All clean metal, very neatly spatter painted. Has a new mat. The blue, again, is all painted real nice. The factory seams are crisp. Does have a spare. I don't see a jack. Weather strip is new. It's got the real nice deluxe 2-spoke wood grain wheel. Gauge cluster below the dash. It's got a retro stereo. Why don't I fire it up for you? Yeah, the seat feels good. Got a clock in the middle. Why can't I find the right key? Sounds nice. Mirror is new. Inside the glove box is new. The light works in there. The motor runs perfect. Got a chrome water pump. Just to be clear, it does have power steering, power disc brakes, and air conditioning. Gorgeous car, full of equipment, outstanding condition. It is a 283 Power Glide, so it's not a race rocket. It cruises down the road. You can hear it sounds good. If you put your foot into it and you downshift it, it'll make some noise and it'll go. But if you're looking for a race car, this is not that car. If you're looking for one you can drive with ease because you feel confident and you feel comfortable, and it stops and takes off and steers just right. That's this one here. You will get compliments like you wouldn't believe with this car. It's just exceptional from all the others. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. Let us answer your questions about the car, the process. We can help with financing, delivery. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.